Hello, now we'll see about the decoder. And decoder is the combinational circuit which will produce maximum to the n outputs for the n inputs. So here we have n number of the inputs. It can provide the maximum to the power n outputs. Where if you see that sometimes maybe some outputs are not utilized. So in that case, maybe output will be less than to the power n. And decoder is used in the receivers whenever we talk about the communication system that is used in the receiver section. Here we are going to see that how to design 3 cross 8 lines decoders. That means here n is n. Okay, so that's why 8 can be written as here to the power n. So for that, this size is 3 cross to the power 3. So 3 cross 8 decoder we are going to see here. So with the help of 3 bits, since it has 3 inputs, so with the help of 3 bits, total to the power 3 equal to 8 combinations are possible. So that those 8 combinations are written here in the input side in the ascending order of the binary numbers. And the right side we have decoders. So here we have 8 outputs. So those outputs are represented with the help of D0, D1. So subscripts are used here 0, 1, 2 up to 7. In total, we have 8 outputs are there. So if you see that in the each case, whenever combination of the input is 0, 0, 0, D0 is 1. So here if you can consider to remember it easily, this binary equivalent in decimal is 0, so that's why subscript is here 0. Similarly, we have 001. This one again in the decimal it is going to be equal 1. So again D1 is what here 1. Similarly 2, so D2 is 1. Again here this is 3, so 3 is 1. Again what we have 100, that combination is 4, so D4 is going to be 1. And again 101 is the 5, so D5 is 1. 110, D6 is 1. 111 is the 7, so D7 is 1. So at a time, if you see that only one output is high, remaining are the 0. And if you'll observe the truth table here for the 3 to 8 line decoders, so all diagonal elements are 1, remaining are the 0. So this one can be implemented with the help of logic gates. For that, we required inverter and AND gates. So here we are using the AND gates. So if you see that when D0 is the output, so for that when D0 is going to be the output for us, so in that situation, we have combination is what? X dash, Y dash, Z dash. So complement is showing the it is 0. Without complement, it shows it is the 1. And AND gates means when all inputs are high, then only output will be high or logic 1. So here if you see that X is 0, Y is 0, Z is 0. So that's why inverted output of X, Y, and Z is connected to the here first AND gate. Or this AND gate we can write number as the 0, that is the 0th AND gate. Similarly, if you see that if you have another combination for that, if you are going to take that combination is similarly here 0, 0, 1. So X is 0, Y is 0, Z is 1. So since Z is already 1, so this Z1 will be connected to the AND gate 1, and for an X and Y, its inverted output is connected to the AND gate 1. So whichever input is 0, for that we need to connect the inverted output to the corresponding AND gates. And if input is already 1, so for that direct input will be connected to the corresponding AND gates. Like if you see that in case of last combination, if you see, here we have all values, that is the triple one. So this triple one is going to represent the values, that is the 7 here. So D7 is 1. So in this case, all input X, Y, Z, all three are going to be 1. So here non-inverted output will be connected to the AND gate 7 here. So that connection you can observe here, flow is here, from here it is given. Again for the Y, if you see that this line is going down, that is connected. For Z again, this line went down and it is connected to the AND gate 7. So logic is here that when you are going to design this, if input is 0, then its inverted output should be connected to the input of the corresponding AND gates. On the basis of that, here we have D0, D1, all these things. You can see from the truth table itself. Like this, we can design the 3x8 decoders. So here input, number of inputs are 3 and we have 8 outputs. So number of AND gates are here. How many? Number of AND gates are 8. So how many outputs are there? That much number of AND gates are required here.